Greetings to Professor Sina Dr. Thomas. We are from ENG3102 Engineering Economy. My name is LING with metric number 215475 and my group members are SHIM Chu Ling Tao Jie, Anna and Ng Choi Yang. Today we are going to present the project assessment 1. So the product we choose to identify and promote that is related to engineering is the cast polyethylene from Top Glove, since it is a prominent rubber glove manufacturer in Malaysia and it is chemical engineering related to its product processes. So the cast polyethylene glove we choose is for food handling, which is made from polyethylene resin and it is non-medical and non-sterile type glove. And the product can be used for beauty and salon, cleaning, and housekeeping, painting, gardening, and general use.
So for our product, it will be in scenario 1 because it is very cheap and affordable for every family, and also is very competitive in Malaysia. So means that the price of CPE glove is depend on the demands. So for this scenario, the price of the glove is increased with the demand initially until reaching the maximum total revenue. And after that, there will be a lot of competitors and they will provide a cheaper price, and means that our price will goes down with the demands. So from this graph, we can see that there will be a 2 break-even point and 1 optimum demands. The 2 break-even points means that there will be 0 profit. And between the 2 break-even point, there is a gray area. And the gray area means that the amount of profit that we get. And the optimal demand means that it will achieve the maximum profit there. Yeah. So for our simple cost, our fixed cost, which includes the maintenance fee and the rental fee, is 1,500 ringgit Malaysia per month. And our variable cost is 3 ringgit 20 cents per unit, which is mainly our raw material. And our price is using the equation of P equal to 50 ringgit Malaysia minus 0.01 D. And the P stand for price and the D stand for demand.
Next part is about Excel calculation method to calculate profit for a range of demand of values which is shown in column A. Price per unit is then calculated in column B by using equation P equals to A minus B times D, where A is a constant of selling price, while B is the amount by which the demand increases for each unit decrease in price. Total revenue that is shown in column C is the product of demand and the price. As for total expenses in column D, it is calculated by the sum of fixed costs with product of variable cost and demand. The profit in column E is the difference between total revenue and total expense. We can determine the optimal demand value and the break-even points by quickly looking at the profit column. Based on the Excel, the profit is steadily increasing as demand increases to 600 units per month and then begins to drop off again. This indicates that the optimal demand value lies in the range of 550 to 650 units per month. In terms of break-even points, the first break-even point lies between range 100 to 150 units per month, while the second break-even point lies between range 1,000 to 1,050 units per month as indicated by the change in sign of profit. Not only spreadsheet method, we can also determine the profit range and break-even points by using graphical methods. This graph helps us to see how profit changes as demand increases. The optimal demand value, which is indicated by the maximum point of the profit curve, we get the value approximately 600 units per month. The two break-even points also can be determined by identifying the intersection point of total expense line and total revenue line, which are approximately 150 and 1025.
Now, I'm going to explain about manual calculation in finding the optimal volume D and also the break-even point D prime 1 and D prime 2. There are several reasons why we should find the break-even point. By understanding the break-even point is crucial for risk assessment. If a business cannot sell enough units to cover its fixed and variable costs, it may face financial difficulties. Second, the break-even analysis is also useful in setting an appropriate selling price. It provides insight into how changes in price will affect the quantity of units that need to be sold to cover the cost. Last but not least, businesses can use the break-even point to develop financial plans and make informed decisions about the production level, pricing, and overall strategy. The optimal volume D is actually the maximum profit we will get after selling several amount of the unit, while the break-even point D prime 1 is beyond this point, each additional unit sold contributes to profit. And for the break-even point D prime 2 is beyond this point, each additional unit sold contribute to loss. To find the optimal volume D, we'll use the formula given here and sub all the value into it to find it. So lastly, we will get about 590 units per month. For break-even point D prime 1, we will use this formula, but we will use the plus symbol to find it. And lastly, we will get about 145 units per month. For the break-even point D prime 2, by using the same formula but using the minus symbol, we will get about 1035 units per month.
I will continue with the justification part. Firstly, I want to recap about the relationship between price per unit product demands and the competitors. In scenario 1, when there are high demands of products in the market, definitely the price per unit product will increase. So when there are profit can be earned, more competitors will enter the market to produce more products and sales to the person who need it. Therefore, the price per unit product will start to drop as number of products in the markets exceed the market demands, although the demands are still high. Okay, let's continue to the following table. In the table, a comparison is made between our products, which is Top Glove Cast Polyethylene Disposable Glove and Bergamot SE Latex Powder Free Glove. So we can see that CPE disposable glove is made out of the polyethylene resin, whereas the latex powder free glove is made out of the natural rubber. And there are some design and then special features for each products. So firstly, the CPE disposable glove is ambidextrous, which is it can fit both left and right hands, and then it can be embossed outside or embossed inside. Non-skin irritants and non-toxics, which is powder-free, protein-free, plasticizer-free, and is food safe and odorless, protection for hygiene purpose, economical and easy to use. Then it is environmental friendly manufacturing process. So the CPE is normally applied in the beauty and salon, and then cleaning and housekeeping, painting, gardening, and also the general use. So for the latex powder-free glove, it is more structurable with enhanced protection, fully textured surface finishing with ultimate grip sensation, and also powder-free, which is can minimize the risk of allergens and irritants, polymer coating, and water repellent surface. So the latex powder-free glove is normally used in the industrial or healthcare facilities and also the food processing. So basically, uh, both glove can be applied like in general use, and then the both glove have the same packing methods, which is 100 pieces per box. However, our product will be more economical since our price is lower than the latex powder free glove, which is our price is 15 ringgit Malaysia per box, and whereas the latex powder free glove is 19 ringgit per box. So our, actually both gloves are almost the same and have their special features. However, our glove is more economical and can be widely used in the society. So that's all from me. Thank you.